100% mortgages are back and it's causing uproar. The last time we saw 100% mortgages were back in 2007, 2008, and was the real drive behind subprime mortgages, which then led to the collapse of the financial and property market. Nearly 1 million houses were in negative equity as a result, and that means that house prices were lower than the actual mortgage value. So we can understand the risk as to why there's this cause for concern, because if loads more lenders follow suit, we could be going into a repeat of what we saw. But here's the opportunity. One, as an investor, we know there's an imbalance between supply and demand. If there's more buyers coming into the market because renters now become buyers, that will drive up property prices in the future. We benefit from capital appreciation on our investment. Number two, the reason why they're introducing this is because renters have access or limited access to savings and family wealth. This has the benefit that in today's market, buy and flip isn't the route to go down. However, with renters not having the money for deposit and definitely not the money to refurbishment, they'll need ready houses to move in. So if you're buying and flipping and providing houses that they can walk in and move in from day one, that will be a great property for them to buy and they will be in huge demand.